Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm taking you one of Dubai's most beautiful and unique attractions, Dubai Miracle Garden. This place is home to over 150 million flowers, all arranged into stunning designs, castles, huts, and even airplanes. If you have ever wondered where the Miracle Garden is worth visiting, stay till the end, because I'm going to show you everything. The entry ticket price is 100 dirhams for tourist and 70 dirhams for resident. Just walking into Miracle Garden already feels unreal. Everything you look, there are colors, flowers, and creativity. What's amazing is that this entire garden is located in the middle of the desert and it's only opened during the cooler months. The pathways are wide, clean and perfect for walking while enjoying the views. You can walk around the garden and see how detailed the floral work is. Every angle is a perfect photo spot. These heart-shaped tunnels are one of the most popular areas in Miracle Garden. If you are visiting as a couple or even solo, this is a must-see. The flowers are arranged in layers, and when the sunlight hits, it creates a beautiful natural glow. thing I love about Miracle Garden is how creative it is. You will find flower castles, houses, clocks, and cartoon characters all made entirely from real flowers. Every few steps, there is something new, which makes the experience exciting from start to finish. This right here is one of the most famous attractions, the Emirates A380 airplane, completely covered in flowers. It actually holds a Guinness World Record. If you need a break, there are plenty of seating areas, cafes, and snack stalls around the garden. It's a great place to relax, enjoy the atmosphere, and just take in how peaceful it feels surrounded by so many flowers. So, is Dubai Miracle Garden worth visiting? Absolutely yes. My tip is come early in the morning or closer to the sunset for the best lighting and fewer crowds. Wear comfortable shoes, bring your camera and take your time exploring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with someone planning a trip to Dubai. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.